Hi guys, and welcome back to Cryptochesterg. I'm here today to give you an update on Pikamoon, the coin that we actually did a nice in-depth video on last week here on the channel, and we basically made a 10x off launch. Unbelievable stuff. We launched at around 10 mil market cap, did very well, and this is basically just an update video for you guys who did invest in Pika and sort of what we can be expecting next here for this extremely bullish GameFi token, right? So just quickly, guys, if you don't know what Pika token is yet, please go back to my previous video and just watch that. It's around 10 minutes long or so, and it's just a quick summary here. It is basically a GameFi token that is basically play to earn like Pokemon. Okay, that's sort of how I would explain it to you very briefly. But yeah, just going into this to start off with, guys, you can now actually trade this on BITGET and MEXC. Amazing stuff. They did have that feature available from launch straight away, which is extremely bullish because it means they've got a lot of budget behind them, paying for exchange listings and stuff like that. So that's one bullish sign. And because we've already seen BITGET and MEXC get listed, or already listed on MEXC and BITGET, we clearly know that other exchanges are not far behind. Okay, so if we are going to be looking at Pikamoon from a coin market cap perspective right now, we're looking at a fully diluted market cap of around $118 million, which is extremely good. Okay, launching from a $10 million market cap, that's looking at around a 12x. Really strong stuff there. Well, around 11x. Really strong stuff there. And these are the current exchanges. We're basically, over the next couple of weeks, what I do predict for this asset, because the volume's really good, coming through at $100 million plus market cap. It's only a matter of time before the big dogs, the tier 1 exchanges, start listing this asset, because it's a very bullish token with really good utility and fundamentals behind it, right? Pikamoon is definitely, it says it in the name, right? It's gonna moon. But yeah, so we're gonna be going through some technical analysis as well, so we can get some sort of price prediction for this asset over the next sort of month or so as well. And then we're basically going to be reviewing some news, which is really exciting stuff. So just to reiterate, guys, you can be trading this now on BitGet. So if you are looking to actually buy this asset, you don't have to pay extremely ridiculous Ethereum fees trading on a DEX. You can now trade it on a centralized exchange. So all you need to do is go to the link in the description, sign up to BitGet, and you can basically buy this asset here on BitGet. Very easy. Very simple. Okay, now just from a TA perspective for this asset, I just want to show you guys what I'm sort of looking at here, because it's quite obvious. Okay, we've got a really clear floor, guys. The floor for this asset, especially when you see a new asset launch like this in this current market, what tends to usually happen more or less every time, you see a massive wave to the upside, massive wave to the downside, and then the floor is formed. Okay, the floor right now is this area alongside here, guys. This floor has been formed and it's been tested 4 times. If this was going to break, it would have broke already. I was watching this with caution here, didn't break, held up, and then we saw some really nice moves to the upside from that. Now, very bullish to have a floor this low for this asset. So the market structure in terms of the downside is looking really strong to basically continue up here. Very good stuff, because we're already nearly 30% away from our floor. Very bullish there. And the next point I will be looking at for here is going to be this continuation chart pattern. The continuation chart pattern that I'm referring to, guys, here is going to be this ascending triangle chart pattern. Ascending triangle chart patterns, they tend to usually break to the upside. Very bullish sign here. So we are looking at some more momentum to the upside here for this asset. If we're going for targets, I would just be layering stuff in like so, layering levels of resistance in like so. And what's probably going to happen here is we're going to ride up and we're going to do something along the lines of this, right? And then soar all the way back up to all-time highs is what I'm sort of predicting here over the next sort of a couple of weeks. But again, that is all depending on the marketing as well, guys, because I've been speaking to the founders of this coin, and they're very passionate, and they've got a lot of budget for marketing, and they're going to be doing insane marketing. I think they've partnered up with like 25 major influencers in the space here. I'm talking like tier 1 influencers on YouTube and really big names in the space. So yeah, you can actually go check out a lot of that information, which is available on their website. But it just shows they've formed these partnerships, so it shows that they're going to be basically promoting this token continuously. Very bullish here. Now let's talk about how high this asset could actually go. This is a very interesting point, because their competitors, we all know Axie Infinity, guys. We know how strong Axie Infinity is and will be coming into this next alt season. Right now we're seeing Axie Infinity at around $1.5 billion market cap, and Pikamoon is only at 100 million market cap And in my opinion, Pikamoon is going to be even better than Axie Infinity. The graphics in itself, they're just insane. The gameplay is actually just really, really, really good. They've got amazing partners. They're doing it all right, okay? They're doing it all right, and I'm very, very excited to see how high this could actually go. So in terms of a reference to our competitors here, well, the competitors in the space, you've got Sandbox, Axie Infinity, other ones like Gala and Beam, right? But the main one I'm really looking at here is Axie Infinity, and that is still going to be a 10x from our current market cap, right? Because if we do a 10x from here, that is basically, oh, my head is in the way. If we can do a 10x from a $119 million market cap, you can actually see that's going to be a $1.1 billion market cap, which is completely achievable, and that's not even at the Axie Infinity level, which is, remember guys, we're still at a low level for Axie Infinity and GameFi in general. So I probably would expect maybe like a 5x for Axie Infinity in the future. And that basically means we're looking at a ridiculous amount of profit here for Pikamoon. So yeah, definitely a coin to be looking out for here in the GameFi space. Yeah, just keep your eyes peeled, guys. Watch out for this. It is going to probably surprise you. One thing about their socials, we've seen an insane amount of followers coming through on their socials. They've nailed marketing, guys. They've really, really nailed this. And we are seeing some very interesting things coming out, okay? If you guys remember Project X, you know the film Project X, when he had that massive party? This guy, the guy that we just saw a second ago, he is actually the real guy who hosted the party. He's that guy on the news. He's actually hosting basically a party for Pikamoon, which is absolutely crazy. He's getting he's flying out some of the community to a party, and then they're all going to basically have a Pikamoon party together. So I'm sure we're going to see some very, very interesting videos and stuff like that. But yeah, just very, very bullish to have him on there as well. Really, really good stuff. As I said, guys, these guys are absolutely nailing it right now. And just to reiterate again, guys, you can trade this on BITGET and MEXC, and they were actually the top gainers, okay? They were the top gainers on MEXC and on BITGET as well. So yeah, another very, very bullish sign here for Pikamoon. And yeah, just to reiterate about that Project X guy again, very, very, very cool to have him on the project. But yeah, guys, definitely a few things to be looking out for here for this project. I would expect insane gains in the future. And if you haven't gone and played the beta, you can go and do that here over on the website. Very, very easy. It is pikamoon.io. All the links will be in the description. But yeah, that's going to be a Pikamoon update today, guys. I will be doing more updates on this asset because I am heavily invested in this asset. No, I really, really, really like this. This token in general, guys. It's really caught my eye, and like a few of you know, I've said on the channel before, I used to play Pokemon quite a lot on my Game Boy, playing Sapphire and Ruby, and this does really, really remind me of that. And the fact that it's GameFi play to earn as well, it's a serious one to watch here for the next bull run coming through here for this lovely, lovely GameFi alt season. So yeah, that's gonna be it from me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments and whether you think you're gonna be jumping in and having a little play on Pika, and yeah, I will respond to all of your comments. And if you like the content, smash a like. If you want to subscribe to it, subscribe to it. But for now, it's going to be peace out and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.